Archbishop Rolando J talks about Pasko sa Kabikolan.
My dear friends, these past months of 2020 have been very difficult months for us Filipinos. Since March, we experienced the onslaught of the COVID pandemic. And a few months later, we have had the three very strong fires and devastating typhoons wreak havoc to so many of our towns, so many of our villages, damage to properties and loss of lives. But the amazing thing is, during these difficult moments in our land, at the same time, that's where we see what is the best, the beautiful, the laudable in the character of the Filipinos. So during this time, we are really asked to be creative. We're asked to engage in order to help our brothers and sisters. And one of the most beautiful expressions of our being creative is, of course, in the midst of difficulties, we can still manage to sing. We can still manage to strum a guitar, play a piano, or play with a bamboo. In other words, in the midst of pain and tears and difficulties, we never fail to appreciate the value of music. Because music is the very soul of the Filipino spirit, the Filipino person. And one of the most beautiful expressions of our creativity is the forthcoming Pasko sa Kabikolan.
Pasko sa Kabikolan, a worldwide Christmas concert for a cause. Proceeds will go to the typhoon victims of Bicol.
It is really a worldwide concert to give joy to our hearts and to make us realize that Christmas is always with us, no matter what. But Christmas, as you know very well, my brothers and sisters, become all the more meaningful when it becomes a celebration, not just for ourselves, but for others, especially for those in need. And so, I gladly and warmly endorse this Pasko sa Kabikolan. Please subscribe, watch it, because watching it will not just bring you joy, but as I said, it is God's way through you of helping those in need. So we hope you will be with us, watching and enjoying this Pasko sa Kabikolan. At the same time, be assured that you will make so many people happy, so many people feel alleviated of their sufferings, and so many people especially realizing that they're not alone. That is what Christmas is all about. We are never alone. So Merry Christmas to you in advance. God bless you and thank you so much for your solidarity and assistance. Dios Mabalos.
Because the happiest Christmas in the world must remain in our hearts. Pasko sa Kabikolan. Antabayanan, Disyembre 24, Pispiras nin Pasko. For a minimum donation of $10, we will send you a link to watch the show on December 24. You can send your donations through GCash, through BDO, BPI, and PNB. For details, please check our FB page, St. Raphael the Archangel Parish of Pili.